Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarthpura. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture of 11th class economics, and today our topic is Superman's rank correlation. Superman's rank correlation. What is the Superman's rank correlation? For that, the formula is RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n3 minus n. It is the formula which was given by this Superman here, and this formula, this RK is equal to coefficient of rank correlation. Coefficient of rank correlation. D is rank difference and n is number of pairs. Now, dear students, we shall study the calculation of rank correlation in three different situations. First situation is when the ranks are given. That is the first situation when we are doing this, the Spearman's rank correlation, when the ranks are given. And number two, when the ranks are not given. That is the second situation. And number three, when the values of the series are the same. When the values of the series are the same. Dear students, if we solve this question, if we do this question here, in a fancy class competition, two judges accorded following ranks to the 10 participants. Number one, Judge X, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And ranks given by Judge Y, or we can say Judge 2 or Judge Y, that is 10, 6, 5, 4, 7, 9, 8, 2, 1, 3. These are the ranks given by the two judges. Now, if we are asked now to do, calculate the coefficient of rank correlation. But it is that situation when ranks are given. Now here, dear students, Judge 1, X, we can say rank 1, R1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Judge 2, X, rank 2, 10, 6, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, 8, 2, 1, 3. Now, dear students, as far this formula is concerned, now we will solve this question here. What is the D? First of all, as for this formula, we have to calculate first D. What is D? D, as I have mentioned here, rank difference. That means the difference of rank 1 and rank 2. Rank 1 minus rank 2. Dear students, what is rank 1? That is 1. Rank 2, 10. When we will subtract 10 from 1, that is minus 9. 2 from 6, that is minus 4. 3 from 5, that is minus 1. 3 from 5, that is minus 2. Minus 2. 4 minus 4, that is 0. 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. 6 minus 9, that is minus 3. 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. 8 minus 2, that is 6. 9 minus 1, 8. You can do it at your level. 10 minus 3, that is 7. It is D. What is D? Difference of ranks. That means rank 1 minus rank 2. Now what we have to do now here? D square. that is the difference of the square, difference of what we do, what we get from R1 minus R2, that is the difference. And now as far as formula is concerned, we have to make square of this difference. That is minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9, that is 81. 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4, that is 16. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. 0 into 0, minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 3 minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Minus 1 into minus 1. 6 into 6 is 36. 8 into 8, 64. 49. 7 into 7. Now, dear students, we will apply these values and this formula. What is the formula? RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by N3 minus 1. Here N is equal to 10 sigma d square is equal to 264. These are the 10 numbers. Here n is equal to 10 and C sigma d square is equal to 264. Now we will apply these values and this formula. What is RK is equal to 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 264 divided by n cube, that is 10 whole cube, 10 cube minus n, that is 10. I will repeat it. RK is equal to, this is formula 1 minus 6 and sigma d square, 6 into sigma d square is equal to 264 by number is equal to 10 here, that is 10 whole 10 cube minus 10, which is equal to 1 minus 1584 by 990. That is equal to 1 minus 1.6 is equal to minus 0.6 minus 0.6. Coefficient of rank correlation. Now we write coefficient of rank correlation that's RK is equal to 0.6. There is a negative coefficient of rank correlation. There is a coefficient of correlation to the tune of 0.6, which is fairly high, Now, dear students, I hope that this equation, when first these ranks, that is R1 and R2. Now as for the formula, what we did, we applied the values. Total number is 10 sigma d square 264. Applied these values in this formula, what we get? Coefficient of rank RK, that is 0.6, which is negative coefficient of rank correlation to the tune of 0.6, which is fairly high. Dear students, I hope now that this today's lecture it is clear now to you, and tomorrow we will do the same topic. And when these ranks here we did, when the ranks are given, and tomorrow's lecture which I am going to deliver, and that there are not the ranks given. Assalamu alaikum.